To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Each of us sees in others what we carry in our own hearts. Do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. For everything you have missed, you have gained something else, and for everything you gain, you lose something else. Most of the shadows of this life are caused by standing in one's own sunshine. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising up every time we fail. Though we travel the world over to find the beautiful, we must carry it with us, or we find it not. Without ambition one starts nothing. Without work one finishes nothing. The prize will not be sent to you, you have to win it. Don't be too timid and squeamish about your actions. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make the better. Nothing can bring you peace but yourself. Nothing can bring you peace but the triumph of principles. People do not seem to realize that their opinion of the world is also a confession of their character. Dare to live the life you have dreamed for yourself. Go forward and make your dreams come true. Happiness is a perfume you cannot pour on others without getting some on yourself. It is easy to live for others, everybody does. I call on you to live for yourself. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and you have lived well. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. You become what you think about all day long.
Please support us by doing subscribe our channel.